Good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas number 96.
MathIdeas96. I cannot shake this cough. All right, you ready? 8 pieces of paper numbered 1 through 8 are in a bowl. So you took some pieces of paper, you wrote the numbers 1 through 8 on them, and you put them in a bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Tinky picks 4 pieces, and Whiskey picks out the other 4. Tinky has the number 3, and Whiskey has the number 6. That's the only thing you know. Okay? But you don't know what other numbers they have. And how many numbers did Tinky pick out?
He picked out 4.
How many did Whiskey pick out?
He picked out 4.
Okay. So we know Tinky has the number 3 and Whiskey has the number 6. What is the largest sum that Tinky can have? That's the question. So do you understand the question?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay. How do you want to think about this problem?
Well, since Tinky has the number 3, I think she has 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Well, not necessarily. The only thing you know is she has the number 3. So could she have the number 8?
She could.
She could, yeah. Could she have the number 7?
She could.
Could she have the number 6?
No, Whiskey has.
Whiskey has the number 6. Could she have the number 5?
Yeah.
Could she have the number 4?
Yeah.
Could she have the number 3?
Yeah, Tinky has it.
She does have the number 3. Oh, okay, great. Could she have the number 2?
Yeah.
Could she have the number 1?
Yeah.
Could she have the number 10?
No.
Why not?
Because you put numbers 1 through 8.
Okay, great. So let's draw Tinky. Little smile. Here's Tinky. Let's draw Whiskey. Oops. Whiskey only has 4 legs. Alright, what do we know that Tinky has? Why don't you draw that in for me? What does Tinky definitely have?
3.
Okay, go ahead. Write that in. Tinky has the 3. And what does Whiskey definitely have?
6.
Okay, awesome. And now we're trying to figure out what's the biggest sum of the numbers. When we add all of Tinky's numbers together, what's the biggest thing we could get? So does Tinky need to have big numbers or small numbers to have the biggest possible sum?
She can have big numbers.
Big numbers. Big, huge, humongous numbers. Okay, so let's pick some big numbers for Tinky to make the biggest sum. What's the biggest number that Tinky might have?
She could have.
What's the biggest number after the
8, 7, 6, 3.
Okay, hold on. What's the biggest number she can have?
She can have 8.
Okay, so let's write that in. She could have an 8. That's going to make her sum really big. What's the next biggest number she could have?
7.
7. Okay, let's put a comma in there. Okay. Now, what's the next biggest number she could have?
5.
What? Oh, 5? 8, 7, 5? What?
Whiskey has 6.
Oh, Whiskey. Whiskey has 6. 8, 7, and 5. So Whiskey has 6. Whiskey probably put the number 6 in her mouth and ran away, and you'll never be able to get it back from her. That's what Whiskey would do, isn't it? Okay, so it looks like the biggest numbers that Tinky could have are 8, 7, and
5.
Okay, so what does 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 equal?
3 plus 8 is 11.
Okay.
So that's going to be...
11 plus 7 is?
11 plus 7 is 18.
And 18 plus 5 is?
23.
23. 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 is 23. There's the largest sum that Tinky could have, because she has the biggest numbers. By the way, if Tinky has 3, 8, 7, 5, what numbers does Whiskey have?
6.
6.
5, 2s, and 1.
What numbers?
6.
6.
4.
4.
And 2 and 1.
2 and 1. Very good. Very good. All right, high five. Awesome job. That was really, really good.